Who? 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 Girl.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. As y'all can see, it's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back up in this thing with another video, y'all. I'm coming back. This is basically my second video of 2021. 2021 actually is starting off pretty okay, but on January 3rd, it did not start off good, okay? We got locked up for some damn tents on our window when the car was not in motion, y'all. I don't know if I want to do a story time about what happened, because it's basically what happened. It's not really a story time, like a whole story, but it's just basically I sat in jail for that long for some tents on my car. Okay, I don't know if y'all want to hear it, but I did post about it on Facebook. I will talk about it now, but I just don't want to think about it. Like, I don't know. That shit's scary, okay? Because y'all see everything that's going on in the world. That shit's scary for people, for like 7 cops to come up to your car with flashlights all in your okay? Yeah, that shit's scary. A little powder, you don't want that much. And I did get my go smaller on my brows, y'all. I'm starting over. I'm gonna take start taking biotin, and I did get my nails this short, my little chiclet nails. I'm starting over with my nails too. So underneath, I'm gonna start short so that my nails can grow up. I'm gonna get a filling after this, and then by March, when I take my photo shoot for my brand, I'm going to, because I already set up the photo shoot. I'm so excited. As I wipe this off, I am going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna come back when my eyebrows are finished. I'm so uninspired right now, y'all. Just packing this all over the lid. I'm actually gonna wait till this gets a little tacky first, and then I'm gonna blend it out instead of just blending it out right there on my lid. I'm gonna tap this out. I just wanted to give it a little bit of time to dry, just a little bit before I pat this out, because I feel like when I put it down and then go back in, it's like too watery to the point where it moves everywhere. So if you are having a problem, just put it on your lid, spread it out, let it sit for a second, and then go ahead and move it around. Maybe that might be the problem when you all are using the P. space. I don't know. But either way, you still can blend it out. You put on your lid or the way that I just did it. I'm gonna do another smoky eye. I want this to be like a pretty one. Go around. Take my Morphe E13 brush, which looks like this. Looks like E13 brush looks like this. Now a palette, and we're gonna go into this deep brown right here. Pack the first color on your lid, whatever color it is. Just pack it on your lid. Do not go all the way in the inner corner. I just have like a moon shape candle, kind of stipulate a little bit outwards. See, I went in with this color right here, and then just dab a day, because it's like more of a purple, like a warm brown, but that one is like a true brown. Now y'all already know my transition color, my Zulu color. I fucking love this palette, y'all. Y'all just do not know one. So y'all know I'm going in with this one. It's almost gone, but it didn't hit pan already. So I'm gonna go in with this brush, MAC 212 brush. Any color that I use, y'all, it is so pretty. Anytime I use it. I think I want to use just these two, honestly. actually going to do this eye right now, and I'm going to smoke it up. Open this up like a quick, easy smoky eye, y'all. Just a quick brown smoky look. 2 eyeshadows, y'all. 2 eyeshadows. That's it. Look how flawless that blended out. What? Period. That is so cute. All y'all needed 2 eyeshadows. 2 shadows only to create a smoky eye with some shimmer in the corner. Take this mini roller lash mascara from Benefit. The thing is, I really wanted to go in with these lashes. Look at how these lashes look. Oh my god, this lash is everything. The style. Screenshot that, pause it, take a picture, do whatever you gotta do. I do my lashes, I like to fold them this way and then like wiggle them and then sit them down and kind of curve them into the lash line, just like that. See, y'all seen it? It's shading my face again, and I'm just priming. I did take my other primers. I always use them all the time. It's redundant. I don't want to keep showing the same thing, but I'm now taking my Hydro Grip on the outer parts of my face, prime the rest of my face. So that's this foundation gonna hit. In with my foundations, I'm gonna go in with Beauty Bakery in the shade 317W, and also the shade, and also, what is this? Spice Rum. I'm going with these concealers. I want to go in with Insta Bake 3-in-1 concealer and Disturb the Piece. This is real bright. I like a bright under eye, but I only like it in the corner. Grab 10 Deep Sand. see what these powders like. I've been wanting to try these powders. These are the new Fenty powders. The shade 460 and then also the shade 420. So I'm going to contour with 460 and I'm going to set all of my face with 420. That's cool. So these are the new powders. It comes with a compact, y'all, and this is the color 420. I'm gonna powder all over my face with it. And up here, this basically reminds me of kind of similar to the MAC powder. But this NW45, they basically are the same color. It look like to me. It look like NW45 is just a tad, like the slightest bit warmer than 420, y'all. So this is 420. Y'all know I've been looking for a powder. I've been looking for another powder. Looking like my skin is flawless. I just want to see how they is with flashback, or they, you know, give. Okay, hold on. No, I usually go with Mocha Mami, but I want a bronzer, but something a little bit warmer than Mocha Mami. This one, I'm gonna take this one. This is 460, and Mocha Mami is probably a little bit warmer than this. Yeah, a lot of bit warmer than this. Definitely. I'm gonna take this big brush. I'm just going to powder this on. Okay, I knew this was gonna be it. I knew it. It's giving me very much soft, but still warm. So I'm bronzing with this right here. This is giving me chills, baby. Okay, honey, this is giving me chills. I'm loving it. I'm loving the way it's making my face come out. I love how it's not too dark. I was gonna go with one darker than this, and put some on the perimeter of my forehead. It's getting me very much warm. Okay. Very much. I honestly knew I was gonna like these. Okay. I went to go look in my mirror that's right there. Baby, it's giving. Okay? It's fucking giving. I can't wait to take a picture so I can see. I want to brighten it up just a little more. I'm going in with shadow and I don't want any fallout, y'all. So I went back in and I put more powder right there. So I'm going in with this Morphe brush. And I'm just arising my nose. As far as these powders, I'm really loving these powders. It made my skin look so good. I might just have to stop using my MAC. You know, I came across some good powders. This color is bomb. Okay, this color is bomb. I might go back and get like maybe one shade. What is this? One shade darker and one shade. Well, yeah, one shade darker and then maybe one shade lighter above this one. But I don't know. I honestly like how it looks on my skin. It looks pretty good. So now I'm about to do the under eyes. For under eyes, I'm gonna go in with nude. Oh, white. I think white. Let's do white. And the thing with eyeliner is I'm just taking it just halfway, like right there. I'm not taking it all the way in the inner tear duct. I don't know. This made my eye pop. I guess. Thing. Okay, so this is number 76 from Inglot with the Juvia's Place. The only thing that I want to do is I want to smudge this dark brown under my eyes. I took this color right here and I applied it underneath too. Enchanted. That's what it is. Going back into that. This is the KKW Beauty 3, my favorite. You already know. I always overline my lips. I had this lipstick called Stone. No, Sepia. And I'm just gonna use it because this is fucking giving me life. Right here. And then we're gonna do a matte lip. Let me stop trying. Let me stop doing these new lips, y'all. This look is giving me all types of vibes right now. So I'm just waiting on this to turn matte. Okay, so we're gonna dust this off. Girl. Look at that. Add some. I didn't highlight my nose. I don't know if I want to highlight my nose. This is me, y'all. Beats. It's giving me very vampy stone vibes. I'm gonna meet y'all at the end. I'm gonna see y'all.